In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Make in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're logged into the correct account or workspace where you want this integration to be installed. This is important because integrations are often tied to the specific location or environment you're currently working in, so it's a good idea to quickly confirm you're in the right place before moving forward. Once you're inside Gohighlevel, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu. From that menu, click on App Marketplace. The App Marketplace is where Gohighlevel keeps its available integrations and connected tools. So this is the section you'll use anytime you want to add a new app or service. After the App Marketplace opens, move to the search bar. In the search field, type in Make. As you type, the marketplace should begin showing matching results. This helps narrow things down quickly, especially if there are many apps listed. When the Make result appears, click on it to open the integration page. This page gives you access to the installation flow and is where you'll begin the actual connection process. Take a brief moment here to make sure you selected the correct app before proceeding. Next, click on Install. This will start the setup for connecting Make to your Gohighlevel account. Depending on your account permissions, you may need the appropriate access level to complete this part, so if you don't see the option, you may need to check your user permissions first. After clicking Install, click Continue. This moves you to the next part of the authorization process. At this stage, Gohighlevel is preparing to confirm that you want this app to access the necessary parts of your account in order to work properly. Finally, click Allow and Install. This is the confirmation step that completes the connection between Make and Gohighlevel. By approving this, you're giving the integration permission to be installed and used within your account. And that's it. Once you've completed those prompts, Make should be connected in Gohighlevel. If you don't see it right away, give the page a moment to refresh or reopen the integration area to verify the installation was successful. This is a simple setup, but it's a key first step if you want to automate workflows between Gohighlevel and other tools using Make.